Hi guys, in this video I'm going to take you guys through Zing's ability to be able to generate a diverse set of backgrounds, specifically keeping the product in context and giving simple ideal prompts. So let's say we have a whole range of products that we want to generate backgrounds for. These could basically be of products, so they could be of any specific home artifacts or something. Let's quickly go to our image samples. I have a whole range of product photos, and let's select one of these as a sample. So I open it up. I'm going to quickly create my workflow, which in this case would be remove and clip the background. We'll create a canvas that kind of helps us setting all the guidelines around. And the third thing would be generating a background. So as soon as we are in creating the canvas, let's put in our details. Let's say we want the image to be 2000 by 2000. I can change my resolution to, let's say, 4K, or this one I want it to be a high resolution. I want the margin guidelines to be, let's say, 15% from all sides. So as I start typing my margin guidelines, we start getting the reference of the product. Then we can play around with the alignment as well. So let's say in this case, I get it center aligned. We select the percentage. Now we come to a point where we want to generate a background. So let's say here we give a very simple prompt that we want a background which would be like a Instagram ad, for example. And then let's just run this workflow. So here I'm actually going to, as you see, the AI has removed the background, it has created the canvas. Now it has started to understand what is the product, because it has the capability to see and understand what is written on the product as well. And we've given it some kind of a direction that please provide me like an Instagram ad for this product. And what it is going to do is, like, it is going to give us it's going to kind of process a prompt in the background, and at the same time it's going to actually generate the background for us as well. So this usually takes between 15 and 20 seconds, and also because we're running a relatively higher image, which is 2000 by 2000 pixels. So while this is processing, we can also go ahead and actually run a batch process. We can select some images that we would want in, let's say, a similar ad. I'm going to select some of these, and this one, and maybe this one too. Once we've selected the products, we can quickly go and see, okay, let's say I want two or three different options. So let's say I want three different options, and I start batch process. So here you will quickly be able to see the scale and the speed, even with like single words given as prompts, just like an Instagram ad, and how the AI is kind of going to understand all the different products that we've given and give us a contextual background, most importantly. So here we have the image processing, we've uploaded 12. We can see all the stats in terms of the upload status, the processing status, etc. And there we go. We've gotten like a beautiful image which signifies that this is a tanning product. It's like the evening, and we're able to see the product clearly as well as the setting here. Now let's say I want this to look like a e-commerce product display, and let's give that a shot. Now, while I've done that, we've also started getting outputs for the command that we had given in for batch processing. So here we go, we started getting some beautiful e-commerce images for a varied range of products. So it wasn't a different prompt, it wasn't anything else. It was a single prompt that kind of started giving us all of these different backgrounds. So that's the point of how, scalable this is. Now this has kind of given me a little different output, as I had suggested, an e-commerce product display. And the last one we can also try could be like a minimal display. So again, I'm just giving it very, very simple terms, very, very simple prompts, and that is kind of enabling us to be able to get such amazing outputs. This is again one of the very unique features at Zing. I personally don't think so. It's available at the time of recording this video. This feature is available anywhere else, and there we start getting like very, very meaningful as well as aesthetic images. I'm going to curate these images and then kind of create the thumbnail for this video as well. So you could try this on with different products. You could try this on with the same range of products or with a different range, depending upon your use case. And of course, you could always make your own prompts. You could add your own ideas as well, and then take it forward from there. So that's a little bit. This is the third minimal display that it has created. As you see, the amazing shadow work and everything that is part of the process. Uh, that's a little bit about how you can use the bulk AI background generation function. And this is how you will be able to get such amazing results with very, very simple prompts. Let's actually go through all the results here. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys.